Welcome to the beautiful garden, where every seed holds a promise and every garden is a canvas of dreams. In today's video, we embark on an inspiring journey through the art of soil preparation and testing, an essential foundation for a thriving garden. Imagine transforming your garden bed into a living masterpiece, where nature meets nurture in perfect harmony. We will walk you through 10 empowering steps that combine science with soul, ensuring your soil sings with life. Let's dive into these transformative steps that will ignite your passion for gardening and set the stage for boundless growth. Step 1. Understand your soil's basics. Begin by observing the ground beneath your feet with a curious and open heart. Embrace the unique texture, color, and composition of your soil, recognizing its hidden potential. Know that each grain of earth holds stories of nature's resilience and nourishment. Allow yourself to be inspired by the natural beauty that forms the foundation of your garden. This initial understanding paves the way for a deeper connection with the land, inviting optimism and anticipation for what's to come. Step 2. Gather essential tools and materials. Collect your trusty trowel, spade, gloves, and soil testing kit, each a symbol of your commitment to growth. Let every tool represent a stepping stone towards creating a vibrant, flourishing garden. Cherish the ritual of preparing your materials as a mindful act of care for the earth. Visualize the transformation that begins with this simple act of gathering, setting the stage for nature's rebirth. With your arsenal at hand, you are ready to embark on a journey filled with hope and promise. Step 3. Clear the garden area. Gently clear the garden area of any debris, old plant matter, or remnants that no longer serve your soil's health. Picture this process as a cleansing ritual, where the past is respectfully removed to make space for new growth. Each removed leaf or stone becomes a symbol of clearing the path for fresh beginnings. As you work, let the act of clearing instill a sense of renewal and possibility within you. This careful preparation honors the land and sets a positive tone for the vibrant garden that awaits. Step 4. Remove weeds, debris, and rocks. Delicately uproot weeds and gather rocks, ensuring that nothing disrupts the harmony of your future oasis. Imagine these unwanted elements as obstacles that you gently clear away to reveal the rich, nourishing soil beneath. Every weed pulled is a small victory for your garden's future vitality and beauty. The process teaches patience and persistence, offering a moment to connect deeply with nature's rhythm. With a clear canvas, your soil is ready to receive the love and care that will help it flourish. Step 5. Test soil pH and nutrient levels. Conduct a thorough soil test to unveil its pH level and nutrient content, embracing science as a guide to your garden's potential. Allow the test results to spark a sense of wonder about the natural chemistry hidden within your earth. Each measurement is a note in the symphony of your garden's life, guiding you on how to best nurture it. With the insights gained, you are empowered to make informed decisions that align with nature's wisdom. Celebrate this step as a fusion of knowledge and passion that will help your garden bloom brilliantly. Step 6. Amend soil with organic matter. Incorporate organic matter such as compost, aged manure, or leaf mold to enrich your soil's texture and vitality. Visualize these natural ingredients as magical elixirs that transform your garden into a nurturing haven. Each handful of organic material breathes life into the soil, infusing it with essential nutrients and vitality. Embrace the process as an act of love, knowing that every amendment paves the way for robust, thriving plant life. This step is a heartfelt tribute to nature's endless cycle of renewal and abundance. Step 7. Incorporate compost and fertilizers. Gently mixing compost and balanced fertilizers to boost the fertility and structure of your soil, preparing it to support a vibrant garden. Picture the compost as a secret ingredient that enriches every nook and cranny with natural goodness. The blend of organic matter and fertilizers creates a harmonious environment where roots can grow deep and strong. This nurturing step is an investment in the future, ensuring that your plants receive the nourishment they deserve. Celebrate the beauty of giving back to the earth as you transform your soil into a thriving, living ecosystem. Step 8. Till and aerate the soil. Use a garden fork or tiller to gently turn the soil, ensuring that air circulates freely and the roots can breathe deeply. Imagine this step as a graceful dance between you and the earth, where every movement infuses life into the ground. Aeration not only loosens compacted soil, but also encourages beneficial organisms to thrive beneath the surface. Each turn of the soil is a testament to your dedication, inviting nature to work its magic in unexpected ways. With every gentle till, you pave the path for robust growth and endless botanical wonder. Step 9. Create a level, well-drained surface. Smooth and level the prepared soil, ensuring that water flows evenly and no pockets of stagnation hinder your garden's growth. Visualize this step as crafting a perfect stage upon which your plants will perform their most dazzling acts. A well-drained surface is the foundation for resilient roots and vibrant blooms, celebrating nature's natural design. Take pride in this meticulous task, knowing that it is a critical step toward a flourishing garden. Your dedication transforms the soil into a serene, balanced environment that welcomes life with open arms. Step 10. Final soil testing and adjustments. Revisit the soil testing process to ensure that the amendments have harmonized perfectly with your garden's natural composition. Let this final check be a moment of reflection and celebration of the journey you've undertaken with care and optimism. Use the results to make any last-minute adjustments, fine-tuning your soil to perfection. Every improvement is a step closer to a garden that radiates boundless energy. Embrace the joy of knowing that your dedicated efforts have laid the foundation for a vibrant, thriving garden. Thank you for joining the beautiful garden on this soulful journey through soil preparation and testing. Your commitment to nurturing the earth is a tribute to the beauty and resilience of nature. As you watch your garden transform from a humble patch of soil to a thriving paradise, remember that every step you take is a celebration of life and growth. Stay inspired. Keep cultivating your dreams, and let the magic of gardening illuminate your world. Until next time, may your gardens flourish and your spirit be forever uplifted.